In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view refunds on Shopify. Understanding where and how to access your refund information is important for keeping track of your business transactions and ensuring everything aligns with your financial goals. Let's walk you through the process step by step so you can easily keep an eye on your refunds. First, begin by logging into your Shopify account. If you're managing a business, you probably check in here regularly, but just as a reminder, make sure you enter your credentials carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you've accessed your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various options. Your dashboard is your command center for everything related to your store's operations. Now that you're in, go ahead and navigate to the Orders section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This area is essentially the heart of your store's transaction management. Here you'll find everything you need to know about the orders placed, including those that have been refunded. Clicking on Orders will bring up a list of all the orders processed through your store. To find refunded orders specifically, you'll need to filter your order list. Head to the search bar located at the top of this section. Click on More Filters. Filters allow you to refine the displayed information to suit your needs. In the drop-down menu, select Refunded. This filter will adjust your order list, showing you only the transactions where refunds have been processed. It's a handy way to zero in on the information you're looking for without sifting through all orders manually. Once you've applied the filter, you'll find a concise list of refunded orders. At this point, scan through the list and locate the specific order you're interested in investigating further. Click on the order number associated with that refund. This action will open a detailed page showing everything related to that specific transaction. On the Order Details page, take a close look at the information presented. You'll see details about the items purchased, the total amount paid, and the amount that was refunded. Check here to ensure everything looks accurate and consistent with your records. Making a routine of this task helps you stay organized and quickly identifies any discrepancies that might pop up. Additionally, if you need to verify or keep a record, this order page allows you to print or export the details. Doing so can be incredibly useful when preparing financial reports or communicating with your accounting team, ensuring everyone is on the same page. To recap, regular review of your refunded orders helps to maintain a healthy balance between customer satisfaction and financial management on your Shopify store. This way, you not only maintain transparency with your customers but also keep your business running smoothly. That's it for today's guide. I hope this walkthrough has assisted you in navigating the world of refunds on Shopify with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!